And a black hole is essentially, how does a black hole form? Like, will our sun become a black hole?
Say again, sorry?
Will our sun become a black hole, or how does it form?
Our sun probably won't become a black hole. The reason being, our sun is actually a pretty ordinary, pretty not very heavy star. Rather heavier stars than our sun can, given enough time, collapse to form a black hole, such as those that we see throughout the disk of our galaxy. So that's the principal way that black holes in the Milky Way would form.
You know, so what you're saying is that black holes when a star collapses, but I can imagine a star collapsing and not being a black hole. So what is it about the collapse that makes it a black hole?
Well, you're right, and it depends how massive the progenitor star, the star that existed before the black hole formed, how massive that is. If it's not very massive at all, then we can just end up with something called a white dwarf. If the progenitor star is a little bit more massive, we can get a neutron star. If it's more massive still, then we can end up with a black hole. So it's certainly not inevitable that all stars form black holes. They have to be pretty massive to start with. But it turns out that there's a different type of black hole in the universe. Different not in any fundamental sense, but different in the way that it's made. So at the centres of big galaxies, we believe that there's a black hole. And we don't think that they were formed because of the collapse of a massive star, so much as something that evolved primordially as that galaxy itself formed, right in its very
As the
centre.
galaxy formed, the black hole was formed at the same time.
Yeah, just collapsing down at the centre of that gravitational potential well.
And those would be very big black holes, presumably.
Oh, they're very massive, a
Yeah.
billion times the mass of our sun.